In a world where information is king, artificial intelligence has become the queen, particularly in the realm of research. Imagine a world where data is processed at lightning speed, revealing insights that would take a human mind years to comprehend. This is not a figment of science fiction, but a reality we're living in, thanks to AI. From medical breakthroughs to environmental solutions, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach research. It's like having a supercomputer in the palm of your hand, tirelessly crunching numbers, spotting patterns, and opening up possibilities. Take, for instance, the groundbreaking discovery in protein folding. It was an AI model that cracked this complex puzzle, a feat that has eluded scientists for decades. Or consider the leaps and bounds we've made in predicting climate change, courtesy of AI's predictive capabilities. Imagine the impact of these discoveries on our lives. AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer, a catalyst that's propelling us into a future where the impossible becomes possible. It's time to embrace this powerhouse of innovation. Because in the world of research, AI is the new frontier. It's here, it's now, and it's revolutionizing our world. Remember, the future is not something we enter, it's something we create. And with AI, we're creating a future that's smarter, faster, and ultimately, better for all of us.